Hey guys, how's your day? So in this video I'm going to show you how to enable force dark mode into any website that doesn't have any dark mode option. So let's kick in. So first of all I'm going to visit an for random site that on the internet. So let's take for an example like Cisco. How about Cisco? Okay, I'm going to visit this website. So it seems this website doesn't have any dark mode option to turn on, so it's all white. Everywhere it's white. So let's take something. Take something. What about this one? This block, this new site, this random website. Okay, it seems to be white everywhere. So there is a quick method to enable dark mode into any website that you want to visit, that you want to see. Okay, now I'm going to do it, so following me with these steps. Okay, so in this video I'm going to enable dark mode on Brave browser. uh, if you're using Chrome browser you can use it too. So I'm going to open my sticky notes. I'm going to copy this text. If you are using a Brave browser, just use copy this. I will add this to description on this video. So I'm going to copy this right here. If you are using Chrome browser, just write here, copy this. Okay. I'm going to paste and select go. Okay, it seems to be opening advanced settings on Brave browser. Okay, it says auto dark mode for web contents. It says already saying automatically render all web contents using dark theme, Mac, Windows, Linux, Chrome OS, Android. Enable force dark. Okay, I'm going to select this and I'm going to switch to enabled. Okay, now it says your changes will take effect the next time you relaunch the Brave. I'm going to click the relaunch. Before you click this, you have to save everything that you are working right now. Then click the relaunch. Okay, browser restarted. It seems to be this option is enabled. Wow, this website just fully converted into dark mode. Okay, I don't need this. It seems to be it's working. Okay, right now let's check the other Cisco website. Okay, it seems to have it's already turned into dark mode. So let's try something else, something in the site superuser.com. What about this one? It seems to be every website is just turning into dark mode. So that's it guys. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like and share this video. So that's all. So thank you guys.